Okay, I am in my laundry room. I am doing laundry and I am getting things out of here so that we can. My hope is to take this closet out of here and those shelves, and then I want to put shelves in that I can put bins on, that you don't stack the bins. So we need to clean all this out. And I'm doing my laundry while I'm doing this. So this is a bag of garbage. And I've done a little bit of sorting. I got this corner cleared out. Good. So now I'm going to, I have some blankets down here that I'm just going to put for donation. I got a plastic bag for donation. So I'm going to get busy. I'm going to go through this stuff here and see what I can donate. I can't move that. I'll have to wait till my son comes in or my husband. Somebody comes that can move that saw somewhere else. Then I can get into those cupboards in this cupboard. But I think that'll give us quite a bit of room if we knock this whole cupboard out and just put the stackable shelves in where you don't put the bins on top of each other. You just, they slide in and out. And that'll work really good for me. So hopefully I can get everybody to play my game. Anyhow, right now I'm going to work on this section. And this is stuff to be washed. But I have quite a few things here. Yep, I'm procrastinating because I really don't want to. I do want to do it. But it's frustrating because I can't get this out of here. And I don't think I can lift that. I'm not even going to try. Okay, I'm just going to get busy and start doing some stuff here. Got the saw moved, yay, so now I can get in here. I'm doing pretty good. I have a big bag of garbage, and I have a black bag that has donation stuff in it that I've put out here already. That's all donation. And now I'm just going to start going through this stuff and sorting it. Don't have any clue what's in this big blue bin. So I guess we'll open it and see. Oh. My washer is done. Okay, this is stuff I need to go through. And I think most of it might be my stuff. Alrighty, I'll take that out and we'll look through it and sort it. And I'm going to put my washing in the dryer. Yay! Okay, still got stuff in the bottom of the closet. One bin that needs to go through. I've gone through most of that, and most of it is paint that we have to get rid of. But like everywhere else, you have to put it in a special place. These are tools. I have 2 bins of tools that we're going to go through. Oh, actually there's this bin as well. That one, and that one. Then there's a tool kit there. And I know there's a couple tool kits down there. And that bin we have to go through. But I did get this cupboard. I got this cupboard all taken out. Yes, I did. So, not too much to do. If I can get that bin out of there. Maybe I could just sit here and go through it. Okay, let's just sit on the ladder. Okay, these are just empty boxes. And this bags. And this is for my vacuum cleaner, which I'm not going to use because I don't have rugs. I should sell it. This is probably, I don't know if it's out of the fridge. Well, I could probably just get rid of it. I want to. Ask David. Okay, I think there's mostly tools in here. Oh, I haven't found that other glove. What is this? These are David's. Stick them out here for now. Snowshoes. It's a cord of some kind. I have no idea what this is. I think it blows up air mattresses, I think. I'm gonna pile stuff on that. I'm gonna go through this stuff. Maybe more recycling in here than anything. A Galaxy watch. Probably has that. Just gonna put all the papers in here. There's an old license plate from British Columbia. Here's a saw. Stick it into a box. Here's a hat. And a bunch of cords. This is going to go in the cord box. What? Oh, I'm just filming. Okay, the donation stuff is going out. I've already taken a box and a bag. A box and a couple of bags, and these ones are ready to go too. Yay, the closets are empty. Now we can start the demolition and the fun part. This is actually quite a big room. We can get a lot of storage in here if we do it right. Okay, that's a good day's work. Stuff is gone. You can actually walk down the hall. The garbage is gone, but we still have stuff everywhere. That's okay. Yep, and the room of doom has got stuff in it. All this stuff is going to be organized and put back in the laundry room. Okay, so this is what I'm doing today. I am painting my 2-tier tray. Wait. And I am going to put some blue and white napkin on so that it goes with my kitchen decor and I can use it on my table. So we'll get this tray all painted, just white, because we all know that decoupage shows up better if it's painted white. And the decoupage is, the napkins are blue and white, so it will definitely look good. Project. Anyhow, it's going to be just fine. Just like I said, it's for me. If I was selling it, I might be a little more fussier. This is just, it helps smooth it a bit. Okay, I think that looks just fine. Now we got to do in here. And I think I'm just gonna probably rip pieces up and glue them in there. Might work the best. Well, I hope you're enjoying this little craft that I'm doing for spring decor. So I got all the decoupage paper on the bottom half. And now we need to do the top half and get it all blue and white and let it dry good. Okay, we got the top and the bottom all done, and now I'm going to let them dry really good. And meanwhile, while they're drying, I painted this tray. It used to have a green bottom. Well, I painted it white, and I do like the edging, which is kind of a wicker. And I think the tray looks lovely inside of it, and it's blue and white, and I think it looks beautiful. And I added a little plant, and it is the start of my spring decor for this year. Well, thank you very much for watching this video. My next video will be Thursday Fairy Gardens. So on Thursday we'll have Fairy Gardens. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!